Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your region on your PlayStation account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PlayStation website where you will be asked to choose your country. Now, no matter which location you choose, within this page, when you log into your account from the sign in page using the sign in button and your credentials, you will be logged into your PlayStation account, which is linked to the location that is set up within your profile. So in order to change this, click on your profile icon and then click on account settings. This will now take you into your account settings page. From here, underneath your information, click on the edit button alongside residential address. If you haven't already set up your address, you will be allowed to do so. Type in your password in order to verify your identity, and now you will be able to enter your full address. Just type in your street address followed by your city, your state or province, and then enter your postcode and finally your country or region. After making your desired changes, you can click on the save button, and now your country or region will also be changed within your profile. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the region on your PlayStation account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.